How to create a TikTok shop. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. Start by heading over to your application TikTok. Make sure that you're using the updated version. Enter a login credential and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. And then you need to click on TikTok Studio. Tap on Go. You can see tons of different monetization programs. In order to see more, tap on View All. Here in this page, you will be able to see all the list of monetization programs that you have it on TikTok. You should also see the program of TikTok Shop, but if it is not available to you in your page, then it means that it is not available on your region or the country. So make sure that you are in the eligible country in order to have this option of TikTok Shop. Even if you have the option of TikTok Shop, you need to meet certain criteria in order to enable it. You need to follow all the on-screen process, and then only you will be able to get TikTok Shop. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.